everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be another Get Ready With Me, and in this Get Ready With Me, I'm going to be using the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Now, a few weeks back, I uploaded my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Christmas mystery box, and this was the palette that I got in that mystery box. If you haven't seen that unboxing, I will try to link that down in the description box, so please make sure to go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. But yeah, I did receive this palette in that mystery box, and I do not own this palette. Well, now I own it, but I guess before the mystery box, I haven't owned this palette. I've never tried any of the shadows that come in this palette, so I thought I would take this time just to sit down, get ready for the day, film and get ready with me, and try out some of these eyeshadows. And as you can probably already tell, I already have my eyes primed using my e.l.f. eyelid primer, so yeah, I'm just gonna quit talking and we're just gonna jump right on in to this video. So if you would like to see this Get Ready With Me and the look that I make using the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, then just keep on watching. So just to open up this palette, here is what it looks like right here, and here are what the eyeshadows look like right here. So it's a super colorful palette, as you can see, so I think I am going to go for more of a colorful look today. I am very drawn to the neutral colors, the more nude colors in this palette, and of course all of like the shimmery colors that we have in the middle row. But I think I do kind of want to do something a little bit different today, something more colorful, kind of like a look I haven't really done in a while. So yeah, we're just going to see what happens. So I'm just going to start playing around with my eyes. Since I don't really know what I'm going to be doing yet, I'm just going to jump right on in and just start putting some eyeshadows on my eyes, and then I can come back and kind of explain the eyeshadows that I end up putting on, and we'll go from there. So this is what we got so far. I don't know why I do this every time. I told myself I was gonna like make it like really colorful and do something different, but those neutrals and those neutral sparkles or more shimmery shades really got me. So this is what our eyes are looking like so far. I think I'm going to get started on my face makeup, and then we will move on to our lower lash line and just kind of finish up the eyes. Oh, and I'll also do my eyebrows as well. So real quick, I'll just run down all of the products that I'm going to be using on my face. I'm just going to do it really quick because all of these products you guys have seen hundreds of times in my other videos. So of course, for my face primer, I'm going to be applying this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And then I'm going to move on to this first concealer that we will put under our eyes, and this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And then I will go in with my foundation, which is this one by CoverGirl. This is the True Blend Matte Made Foundation. Then I will go in with this concealer from Physicians Formula, and this is the Concealer RX Physician Strength Concealer. And then I'm going to set all of that into place with my Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder, and then I will be going in with my Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. And then for my eyebrows, I'm going to be going in with these two products. So first, I'm going to be going in with this product, and this is by Rimmel London, the Brow This Way, something like that. All the writing is rubbed off, but I'm going to use the little gel and powder that comes in that kit, and then I'm going to be setting my brows even more with this e.l.f. brow and lash setting gel or whatever it's called. Makeup is done, eyebrows are on. I'm just gonna quickly touch up my brow bone highlight. for my lower lash line, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the color, this color right here, which is in the name Bitch. And then I'll probably just take this color right here, which is in the color Divine, and I'll probably put that on the inner corners of my eyes, since that's the color that we kind of applied for our brow bone highlight, just to kind of tie it all together. And then I'll probably just apply mascara. I thought about applying lashes, but I don't really want to apply lashes and take away from the eye look that we have going on, so I'm just gonna apply some mascara. And my go-to mascara is this one right here from L'Oreal, and this is the Unlimited Mascara. So after I get the eyeshadows on my lower lash line, I'll apply some mascara, and then I think that'll be pretty much it for our eyes, and then we will move on to finishing up our face makeup. Alright, now to finish up the rest of our face makeup, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. bronzing palette and just kind of bronze up my face. And then I'm going to be using a blush from my contour and blush palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'll go in with this blush color right here, which is my favorite blush color from this palette. And then, of course, I will be highlighting, pulling a highlighter from this palette, also from BH Cosmetics. And this is the Spotlight Highlight 6-color palette. And here are what these highlighters look like right here. And I'll probably go in with either these two right here, or maybe mix them together. And then for my lip color, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in all over with this color right here. This is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this is in the color Dull Parts. And then I also think I'm going to put this color in the middle, which is also from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this is in the color Soft Serve. I really wanted to use this color in today's look because I'm almost positive that this color is from the same like summer collection that came out with the Thirsty palette, but I didn't know if I wanted to apply this color all over my lips, so that's why I'm going to kind of combine these two colors together and kind of do like an ombre effect. And then once that's done, this look will be complete. and that is it for this Get Ready With Me using the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I actually really like how this look turned out. I know I mentioned in the beginning of the video that I was going to do something totally like different and more colorful, but what can I say? I'm just so drawn to my nude, warm toned colors. But either way, I'm really happy with how this look turned out, and I'm actually really impressed with this Thirsty palette, and I'm so happy that I finally have it in my collection. The eyeshadows that I did use are, of course, in true Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadow fashion. They are pigmented, super smooth and buttery, easy to use, easy to blend. I'm not really familiar with making eyeshadows and all of the components that go into it, but Jeffree Star Cosmetics is definitely top-notch on their eyeshadow making. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me, and if you really like how this look turned out, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Also, make sure to check down in the description box for all of my other social networking links. If you are not following me anywhere else, all of those are in the description box underneath all of my videos. And also make sure to check out other related videos like my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Christmas mystery box unboxing. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I want to welcome you to my channel, and I really hope you subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching Get Ready With Me's or other related videos. And again, give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna get going for now and film some more videos for you guys. So yeah, I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.